All right, Costco's got some cool Christmas items here too. A gaming table for poker or whatever. Foosball, a little under 500. The old dartboard, that's lit up too, $119.99. Golf gloves, golf bag for that golfer. Golf balls. 10-piece set there for $539.99. That's not a bad deal there. Ooh, got the old Wilson basketballs. Not too bad of a basketball. Got some big old box of doggone pins. Tennis balls. You got the kids play fort. That's kind of fun looking. You never know. Kids can make up all kinds of stuff. More toys. Guitar. And a couple of boom boxes here. Party Box Club. Don't know the brand. Oh, there's the JBL. That's what my grandkids talk about. They say that JBL makes the best now. So check that out for $399.99. That might be a good buy there for karaoke. So check it out. And here we go. The machines. Not the big ones. These are kind of small. Now here's a table one. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool for sure. That's a pub table Pac-Man arcade, $499.99. And then you got the Midway here, which is $599.99. I sure like this one. I'll tell you what, I like this one. I think it's got this one. I think that's Galaga. And it's got a couple other games on here. I'm not sure. Didn't play them all. Yeah, it just has Galaga and Mrs. Pac-Man, it looks like. But still, that is two super fun, cool games there. I mean, it's a cool looking table stand-up thing. You cannot beat that. I like that a lot. But anyway, check it out, Costco, folks.